this is Howie Jai from Mass Communication. I'm again with another comparison video. You can see I have in front of me two phones. We have iPhone 12, here we go, base version, and we have iPhone 14 Plus version. So what we're gonna do with these two phones, we're gonna check which phone boot faster application. Here we have Google Map, the first one. We'll hit this one. Let's see, 1, 2, and 3. iPhone 14 in this case start Google Map faster. So we'll close this one more time to reconfirm this one. Let's see, 1, 2, and 3. iPhone 14 is millisecond faster. And we'll go to most popular application, that is Facebook. Let's see, 1, 2, and 3. iPhone 14 loads faster. Facebook, you can see very easily. So good. So close all. We'll check one more time. Facebook, 1, 2, and 3. This time iPhone 12 almost close. You guys decide which one is faster you think. So YouTube Music, we'll check. Guys, let's see, 1, 2, and 3. iPhone 14 loads faster YouTube Music. You can see. And we'll close and we'll go to directly YouTube now. YouTube, here we go, 1, 2, and 3. iPhone 14 is the clear winner. To confirm one more time, I close all. Last time YouTube, 1, 2, and 3. Surprisingly, iPhone 12 almost the same, or iPhone 12 own this one. So I'm not sure about it, guys, but mostly iPhone 14 is the faster, but at the same time, if you are buying iPhone 12 at the moment, it's not a bad phone at all. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.